Are you trying to lower your cholesterol without pills, side effects, or confusing diets? Because here's the truth. High LDL, what doctors call bad cholesterol, can silently build up in your arteries. Over time, that raises your risk of heart attacks and strokes. But here's the good news. You don't need drastic changes to protect your heart. You just need the right foods, ones proven to lower LDL levels naturally. In this video, I'll show you 17 powerful, science-backed foods that help clean out your arteries and support a healthier heart. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share one bonus tip most people completely overlook. Let's get started. What is LDL and why it matters? Let's break it down. LDL stands for low-density lipoprotein. It carries cholesterol through your bloodstream, but when there's too much of it, LDL starts to stick to your artery walls. Think of it like rust building up inside a pipe. Over time, that buildup narrows the passage, making it harder for blood to flow freely. Less oxygen gets to your heart and brain, which is how heart attacks and strokes can happen. Now contrast that with HDL cholesterol, the good kind. HDL acts like a cleanup crew. It picks up excess cholesterol and takes it back to the liver to be broken down and removed. So the goal isn't just to cut cholesterol, it's to lower LDL and raise HDL, and the right foods can help you do both, naturally. Let's jump into the top foods that help lower your LDL cholesterol, starting with one of the most studied. 1. Oats. Oats are a cholesterol-lowering powerhouse. They're packed with soluble fiber, which binds to LDL cholesterol and blocks it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. That fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut, trapping cholesterol and helping your body get rid of it. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal. Top it with apples, bananas, or a handful of berries for an extra heart-healthy boost. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help raise your good HDL cholesterol. They don't just lower LDL, they also reduce triglycerides and keep your arteries more flexible. Grill, steam, or bake fish 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. 3. Avocados. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which help lower LDL while boosting HDL. They're also full of fiber and plant sterols, natural compounds that block cholesterol absorption. Add avocado to salads, mash it on whole grain toast, or use it as a creamy sandwich spread. 4. Eggplant. Eggplant is high in dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol and helps your body flush it out. It's also low in calories, making it great for heart-healthy weight management. Roast eggplant with olive oil, grill it, or blend it into a dip like baba ganoush. 5. Nuts, walnuts, pistachios, almonds. Nuts are rich in plant sterols and healthy fats, both of which help block the absorption of dietary cholesterol. Studies show that eating a small handful of nuts daily can significantly reduce LDL levels over time. Stick to raw or dry roasted varieties and watch portion sizes. Nuts are dense in calories. 6. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that lower LDL and raise HDL while reducing inflammation in your arteries. It's a core ingredient in the Mediterranean diet and a simple swap that makes a big difference. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle over veggies, or mix it into dips. 7. Barley. Barley is a whole grain rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that binds to bile acids and removes them from the body, forcing your liver to pull more cholesterol from your blood to make more bile. The result? Lower LDL cholesterol levels. Try barley in soups, salads, or as a side dish instead of white rice. 8. Legumes, beans, lentils, peas. Legumes are high in soluble fiber and plant protein, both of which help lower LDL cholesterol. They're also low on the glycemic index, so they stabilize blood sugar and support weight loss. 2 major heart health wins. Swap out meat a few times a week with black beans, chickpeas, or lentils for a cholesterol-friendly meal. 9. Apples. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol by blocking its absorption in the gut. They also contain polyphenols, plant compounds that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in blood vessels. Eat them whole, with the skin, for the biggest benefits. 10. Garlic. Garlic has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and now science confirms it can lower both total and LDL cholesterol, especially when taken consistently. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, appears to block enzymes that produce cholesterol in the liver. Raw garlic or aged garlic supplements may offer the strongest benefits, but talk to your doctor first. 11. Green tea. Green tea is full of catechins, antioxidants that improve cholesterol levels by lowering LDL without affecting your good HDL cholesterol. A cup or two a day could make a noticeable difference, especially over time. Drink it hot or iced, but skip the sugar. 12. Berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. Berries are loaded with fiber and antioxidants that support heart health. They reduce LDL levels, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation, especially blueberries and strawberries. Toss them into oatmeal, smoothies, or eat them plain as a snack. 13. Soy foods, tofu, soy milk, edamame. Soy is one of the few plant proteins shown to lower LDL cholesterol directly. It contains isoflavones and natural compounds that reduce cholesterol absorption and production in the liver. Studies show that consuming around 25 grams of soy protein daily can reduce LDL by up to 5%. Try tofu stir fries, unsweetened soy milk, or steamed edamame as simple, cholesterol-friendly meals. 14. Okra. Okra contains mucilage, a thick gel-like fiber that binds to cholesterol in the gut and helps flush it out. It also supports blood sugar balance, which is key for heart health. Roast it, stew it, or add it to soups to get its full benefit. 15. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Dark chocolate, when it's low in sugar and high in cocoa, can improve your cholesterol profile. That's thanks to flavonoids, which reduce LDL oxidation and boost HDL. Just stick to a small square or two a day. More than that, and the added sugars and saturated fat can backfire. 16. Non-starchy vegetables, broccoli, leafy greens, cauliflower. Non-starchy vegetables are low in calories, but high in fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based nutrients that support heart health. They help lower LDL cholesterol by binding it in the digestive tract and promoting regular elimination. Plus, they fill you up without spiking your blood sugar. Aim to fill half your plate with these veggies at every meal. 17. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are tiny but powerful. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that lowers inflammation and supports heart health. They also contain soluble fiber and lignans, which bind LDL cholesterol and help remove it from the body. Always grind flax seeds to absorb the nutrients. Add to smoothies, yogurt, or sprinkle over oatmeal. Eating the right foods is powerful, but to truly lower LDL cholesterol and protect your heart, you need a full lifestyle approach. First, cut out trans fats. These harmful fats raise LDL and lower HDL, the worst combo for your arteries. You'll find them in processed snacks, baked goods, and fried foods. Always check ingredient labels for partially hydrogenated oils. That's a red flag. Second, get moving. Physical activity raises your good HDL cholesterol and helps your body clear out bad LDL. Even 30 minutes of walking a day can improve your lipid profile and boost circulation. It doesn't have to be intense. Brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing in your living room all count. The key is consistency. Make movement part of your daily routine. Together, smart food choices, less trans fat, and regular exercise create the strongest defense against high cholesterol and heart disease. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which one will you try next? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear what's on your plate. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and don't forget the bell icon so you never miss a new video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.